So ara ati la tiempo me go percha. Kira won ngeyo kere. Ken norma go tim adopting in madong mati vulnerable. Madong no kermo pe mano pe rom no kere chana gyanga because by then I was very young. So o karamit we 2016 chako ring campaign ba me go gyanga why mami tima be work ana ring kiri campaign. Because I know school fees are here to chune gyanga again but it's okay. In ma chali ma manane we an ben ring ko jo mano tiga ring ko ige magi yara mo ta be ga dangane oye na we so I mean I do down to the point meno akeli we down ben yang history so far I get do ram kere mo pa mo da ri politics but I experience money ma develop mo tena wo bene ke experience ma de politics I've ever worked because tij ma mega wol better chan o ye o me ana ye bepeti diera ma mega pian ma mana rayo ko le tele ganga we learning experiences in politics so in politics ethical man